Google and search Windows 10. After that, click Download Windows 10. After that, we have to scroll down a bit to find the Download Now button and click Download Now. You have to wait a few seconds. Okay, now it's done.
My name is Aisha Safia binti Khairul Anwar, and today I will guide you guys on installation of virtual machine. So first of all, you can search VMware Workstation 17 just like what I did, and from this interface you can scroll down until you find a tech support website. Okay, so you scroll a bit from this interface and you can see Workstation Windows 25H2, and you can proceed to continue to download. You scroll down to the VMware Player 17.6.3, click on it and choose Windows on the download options. So it's currently downloading and you can wait for the download to be done. To proceed to the next step, you open the Workstation Player 17, click Next right here, and you can read the terms if you want to. I accept the terms in the license agreement and just scroll it down before we click Next. On this page, you just click Next again. Again, you click on Next, and you can proceed to install the VMware Workstation 17 player and wait for the installation to be done. Then you just click Finish, and we have done for the part 2.
First of all, open the VMware Workstation. Now click the Create a New Virtual Machine. Next, click Browse, and then click Desktop to Windows. Click Next. Make sure the virtual machine name is Windows 10 x64, and then Next at max the size. You have to change it to 320.0 and then click Next, and then click Finish, and we have to wait. So creating this are the process. After that, the VMware screens are shown, so we have to wait until the boot manager are shown. Now in the Workstation 17 are should keep the setting and then press Next, and then click Install Now, Once the setup is starting, Windows setups are showing. Now click Windows 10 Pro and then click Next. And now you have to click I accept the license term. And click Next and then choose the second option, which is Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. And then click Next and wait until it completes.
Zone 2 Malaysia time. First, you have to go to Windows set, then search date and time. Step 2, show system information. First, go to Windows and search system. Then you scroll down and you can see everything. Then step 3, perform this partition. First, go to Windows and search computer management. Then you select disk management. Then right click and shrink volumes. Then wait. And then you click shrink. And then right click again and use simple volume and click next. Then you wait. Step 4, change to word group. First, you go to Windows and search settings. Then you go to system and search about your PC. Then you rename this PC to your code, which is IMD163 and next. And then you can restart now your PC. And then you wait until your PC restart. And then when it's all done, then you can put your password. So to step 5, how to create your account and email. First, you go to Windows and go to setting and then search account. And then you go to add an account and you can choose Google, and then you can put your email and password. And then when it's all done, you can put your email and password. And then you click next after that. Then after done, you enter allow and skip. So for the step 6 is window update. First, you go to Windows and check for updates. And then you download and install. So for step 7, share the folder. First, you go to Windows and search this PC. then you enter local disk, and then you enter window and then you right click and then choose properties and then you click and then you click this and then OK. And the last one you click OK, then you are done.
Let's click the window and search for Task Manager and click open. So we can see the processes right here. Let me help you scrolling down to see everything in the processes. And for the performance interface, we have CPU, memory, disk and Ethernet. On the app history, we have the app's name with CPU time, network, metered network and tile updates. For startup, we have these three. And for users, we have our username and details with services right here on the last. Yeah, we will scroll down to see everything, and that's all for part 8. For the last part, I will teach you how to change your computer name. First, you search about your PC. You scroll down to rename this PC. You put the name you want to and click on change. For this computer name, you can rename it as how you want it to be. So I will put IMD163 project. Then we click on OK. So we click on OK, saying we agree to restart this computer. You can click on the close button to close and it will start to restart. Once it has done restarting, you just enter your password. And let's check in the setting. Search for system and scroll to about. And as you can see, the device name is already changed to IMD163 project. Okay, that's all for part 9.
In conclusion of our video, we have demonstrated the step-by-step process of installing an operating system successfully. This video shown the important stage from preparation to final setup. To ensure the operating system installed correctly for the demonstration, viewer can get a better understanding of OS installation and the importance of following proper procedure for system performance and stability.